as I said, I continued reading this book and I came on page number 254. It's a spoiler alert. If you have not read this book, please don't see this video. Please, it's a spoiler. Okay, I am on page number 254, and in the last video, in the first one, I said that maybe Ethan is EJ, but then I now got to know that Tricia is Patricia, and the woman जिसकी रिकॉर्डिंग सुनी थी ट्रीसिया ने, that the Patricia one in that recording with Dr. Hale, Dr. Andreen Hale, that some man had come into their room and killed her fiance, her best friend, and another friend, and also injured her. And then she survived, and then she was also stabbed, and this all happened. And then turns out Dr. Hale tells Patricia that it was you who kills their fiance and best friend and the other friend, because apparently 2 months before their wedding, the fiance was cheating on Patricia with her best friend. I don't remember her name, I forgot. And so I agree that okay, her boyfriend cheated, okay, but you can't just kill someone. I mean, that's crazy. No, you can't murder someone. And the girl also, and the other girl also was innocent, but she killed her also. And then for 3 years she took therapy, all this has happened with me and all. And then Dr. Hale knew all along she has killed them, and she's doing this victim blaming. And I read this because Luke, if you have read the book, I know you can understand, because Luke, when they found out, Tricia and Ethan found out Luke was in their house. So Luke told that you're Tricia, right? And then the next chapter came, in which maybe she accepts it or whatever. It's just written that Tricia, Patricia, like PA and in bracket Tricia. So I'm like, no, I have read half of the book today. It's 11:30 p.m. and I've decided not to read anymore, because now the twist can be anything. You can literally see I'm on page number this. I'll show you 245 it is. So I was reading the whole book in this way. I'm like, no way now. And also it turns out that the body in their compartment in their basement is not of Dr. Hale. It can be now of anything. It can be the body of anyone, not anything, anyone. It can be I don't think Dr. Andreen will be there. Luke is not there. Now it can be EJ. Fuck, it is EJ, because EJ, and I still think that Ethan is EJ now, and I don't know, and I have 50 pages more of this book to go, like just this much, and I'm out of my mind, and I think I should sleep now. Yeah, I'm very much disturbed, and I don't have guts. I'm still alone in my room. My roommate is bahar, and I'm still alone, and I am terrified of reading this book now. I thought कि I know कि क्या ही होगा सस्पेंस, कि सस्पेंस ही होगा कि ईथन इज EJ एंड EJ हैज़ किल्ड डॉक्टर एंड्रीन, एंड एंड्रीन की बॉडी वहाँ पे है. बट Patricia is Tricia, and she has done that in the past. She has murdered his fiance Cody, her best friend, and her best friend from 5 years of age. I'm like, okay, I'll tell one thing, that ये बहुत बड़ा crime है to cheat, okay? And in the book it said कि they have been cheating after the engagement, like Patricia and Cody की engagement के बाद. So that is wrong, I agree. But bro, you can't just kill. You could have just leave. That's what you could have done. That's not how it works. Oh god. And then also then Patricia also kills EJ also, because she knows na, Dr. Andrin knows, and then she threatens her. And I was so terrified at the moment that how is she telling in alone, like, first of all her house is such a periphery, and she's telling Patricia could have attacked her at that moment, Dr. Hale. I'm like, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Now I have my college tomorrow at 9 a.m. and I have to wake up early. I usually wake up at 5:45, and I'm going to sleep now. I am not reading this today because I've literally read 100 pages today and there are 50 more, and to be honest I'm sleepy now. I'll let you know कि आगे क्या होता है, and I've told all the spoilers, so see if you still want to read the book, and if you have read the book, then we can delete. I know we can delete it so much. So this is it. I don't have any more words right now. Just bye bye.